Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down or up, depends where you are at, and enter the wallpaper. Now we have to tap on change wallpaper option. And here we've been transferred to the available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So at the top we've got My Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and under it on-device wallpapers, which are pre-installed. So let's simply tap on this option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. Simply tap on the option to check the preview of the wallpaper. You can check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen. You can also change the position of it, so you can position it just like you want to. Let me choose maybe this one. Let's check. Okay, it's quite nice. So right now all we have to do is to tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner, and now we can decide where we want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.